All aboard, the train's in town, steel wheels spinning round and round. Hop right in, the ride's begun, adventure waits for everyone. And the train goes chug-a-chug, clickety-clack, rolling forward, never back, through the hills and tunnels wide. Hold on tight, enjoy the ride. We pass the farm with cows that moo, fields of flowers, sky so blue. The whistle blows a happy sound, toot toot, echoes all around. And the train goes chug-a-chug, clickety-clack, over bridges, down the track, waving hands and smiling faces, zooming past so many places. Clouds above and trees below, watch the little towns we go. Bells are ringing, lights go blink, next stop coming up, we think. We stop to pick up toys and books, greet a station full of cooks, then chug again through snow or rain. This magic train won't stop the train. And the train goes chug-a-chug, fast and proud, whistle blowing long